Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Garmin Forerunner 955. To begin, find the light button, which is located on the top left side of your watch. Press and hold this button for about 2 seconds. You'll see the Garmin logo appear on the screen, letting you know it's starting up. Once the screen illuminates, you can release the button and your watch will be ready to use. After turning on your Forerunner 955, the next step is to complete the initial setup. First, choose your desired language from the list presented on the screen. Then, you'll want to pair your watch with the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone. Just follow the simple on-screen instructions to finish the setup, including entering your personal details for precise activity tracking. Navigating your Forerunner 955 is straightforward. You can use the up and down buttons, found on the left side, to scroll through various menus and options. To select something, simply press the Start/Stop button, located on the top right. If you need to go back, the back button on the bottom right will take you to the previous screen. Remember, you can also swipe the touchscreen for quick navigation. When you're ready to power off your Garmin Forerunner 955, you have a couple of options. You can press and hold the light button for about 15 seconds until it shuts down. Alternatively, from the watch face, press and hold the light button briefly to access the controls menu. Then, select the power icon and confirm your choice to turn off your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.